Better.
Mutton better, very tasty, very tasty.
And fish you like?
Yeah, it's fish.
Mean.
Mutton is how you say mutton?
Atukari.
Atukari.
Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi cashew, badam. Yes, this vegetarian. Listen, yes, mantap. Try yes, टमाटर डालिए, एक काजू बादाम डालिए और वेजिटेरियन। वाव, दही क्या बड़ा है इसको। डालेगा मटर बिरयानी सिस्टम दम लगा दिया, बिरयानी दम। आ गया हमारा बॉस आ गया।
So I wanted to come from the beginning, but I didn't have time. So I've come now. So show me what you do.
பெரிய ஆளு பெரிய அண்ணன் வந்து நமக்கு வந்து வாழ்த்து தெரிவிச்சு நம்ம கூட ஹெல்ப் பண்றேன்.
வெங்காயம்.
वाह, कुकिंग
தயிர். கல்லுப்பு. No, I do cooking. Huh? Seriously, yeah. I do quite a lot.
तारीफ कर दिया। वाह, बिरयानी कैसा हो गया।
It's smelling very nice.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Come and go to Chicago and cook something. Very good idea.
He has a friend, San Pedro in Chicago. So he said whether we can check with him there, he can arrange cooking.
No, you have to tell me coming.
Sorry.
You already understood.
San Pedro.
Nice.
They say he's aged only, but otherwise he's in spirit he's younger than these guys.
Which is his favorite recipe?
Mutton. Sabarno, super. Chicken. Chicken and mutton.
Mutton better.
Mutton better, very tasty.
And fish you like?
Yeah, it's fish.
Mean.
And chicken, mutton is how you say mutton?
Atukari.
Atukari. And chicken?